The Supreme Court rules guiding the conduct of a presidential election petition require the National Super Alliance to serve the respondents in the case with the documentation of the matter by tomorrow. The Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission indicated their legal team of 10 lawyers has already been served and is working on a reply that must be filed by Thursday next week. IEBC lawyers include Paul Moite, Pielo Lumumba, Paul Nyamodi and Kamau Karori. The Jubilee Party and President Uhuru Kenyatta will also be represented by several lawyers led by senior counsels Fred Gatia, Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, former Judge Aaron Ringera, and lawyer Katwa Kigen. The responsibility being to debunk the 20,000-page evidence presented by NASA last night. They too must file their response by Thursday next week. Persons or institutions interested in being enjoined in the case must make the application to the court by next Friday, being the 7th day after the filing.
Beginning next year.
Next Saturday, the Supreme Court judges will meet all the legal teams involved in a pre-trial conference to plan on the days of hearing, time allocation per team, and other basic rules of procedure. Thereafter, the judges will hold hearings sufficient to hear all parties and leave enough time for them to weigh the evidence tabled before them for and against the presidential election outcome. NASA says it has a team of 25 lawyers working on the case, including James Orengo, Otiende Amolo, Paul Mwangi and Anthony Aloch. And as the legal team strive to have their way, on their day in court they will have to convince a 7-judge bench that comprises of 3 new judges at the court. These are Chief Justice David Maraga, his deputy Philomena Mwilu and Isaac Lenaola, who were appointed late last year. Justices Njoki Ndungu, Professor Jackton Ojwang, Mohamed Ibrahim and Smoking Wanjala will be hearing a presidential election petition a second time after the debut petition in 2013. The judges must make a ruling by the 1st of September when the constitutional timeline of 14 days lapses. Sam Gituko, Citizen Weekend.